Hey, I'm Kevin. This is my standing wave project for audio electronics. A standing wave is where sound waves bounce off parallel walls and travel repeatedly in the same path, which will in turn cause that frequency to get progressively louder. A node is the point along a standing wave where the amplitude is at its absolute lowest, and an antinode would be the opposite of a node, which would be where the amplitude of that frequency is at its maximum. Standing waves are unwanted in the recording environment because that certain standing wave frequency will be perceived louder than it actually is, which can ruin a mix. Most common ways to avoid standing waves are absorbers, diffusers, or creating unparalleled walls. So the measurements of my room are 12 feet wide by 15 feet in length by 8 feet in height. So we take the equation frequency equals velocity divided by wavelength. So this is what we have so far. You would basically just put in $1130 for the velocity and divide that by one of the dimensions in the ruler measurements. So let's do that for the height. So 1130 divided by 8. So it basically looks like this. You would have 1130 over 8, and that would give you 141.25 hertz. And now I will do that for the other two dimensions. Alright, so this is what we have, and we have 94.17 hertz and 75.3 hertz. All pretty low frequencies, so mixing in this room would result in very loud bass frequencies, basically, which it does, and it would not be suitable for mixing.